he was a client. So for the longest time, client ko siya. And then for the longest time, hanggang 1980s or late 80s and early 90s, ano siya, ako nagte-take care ng hair niya. So from that time, naging friends na kami. Tapos pinakilala niya ako kay Acheng, kay Katrina. I did a trial makeup for Katrina, test makeup. So andun sila, si Jackie, siya, saka si Randy para i-check nila yung makeup ni Acheng kung okay for them. Then okay naman. So ako na yung gumawa ng first option na show. So in short, siya talaga yung as you said, siya yung his
Put together
people, di ba? He likes doing that, organizing people. He recognizes kung ano yung talent na mabagay kay Katrina, kung sino yung pwede, and everything, di ba? He loves doing that, di ba? Organizing lunch, dinner for us. So for the longest time, naging friends. And then, yung mga moments namin, we have bad moments, alam mo na, and good also. So, during martial law, or coup d'etat, yun, with Tonichi din yung lagi.
You were with them na during the coup?
Yes, as early as that, mga
86.
86. Even before pa that, kasi yung auction meron na nun. So from that time on, tapos ako yung nagsama sa kanya sa show kay Ino for Elsa Clash. Kasi sabi niya, gusto ko mag-help kay Ino ng backstage. So siya yung kasama ko. And from that time on, naging close na siya kay Ino din. And everything.
What will you miss most about him?
His kindness, his warmth, the friendship, and he's the parang the leader to us eh.
Oh.
Like, I'm organizing for something for Acheng Katrina. Si Telman want to And even the time na mga last few years ni Pepito, siya yung siya yung nag-organize, siya nag-lead noon sa bahay niya. Imagine mo, from brunch hanggang 1 a.m. kami doon, every Sunday for Pepito, siya lang lahat. And then, there are mothers na mga coming back for balikbayas and everything. Siya din nag-organize. So, yun yung mamimiss ko sa kanya kasi parang wala nang, sino magko-continue yung tradition na yun.
He's very thoughtful, di ba? Even
Yeah.
yung Saturday Mass in Katrina's chapel.
Yes, regularly. Kasi he wants to be close also to the family. I guess second family na niya, Miski na si Mrs. Arili now, siya ang stylist. Siya na nag-stylist niya, di ba? Yun ang mamimiss ko kay Tonichi. Tsaka yung thoughtfulness and kindness, bigla ka na lang yung aabutan ng gift, o kaya envelope na parang files of your photos. Di ba? Who does that? Diba? And then, if you need information or gusto mo ng parang mga fashion magazine na library or archiving, he's complete.
Yeah.
Yun.